Hello friends, welcome to Easy Kids Draw.
Today we're gonna draw the beautiful penguin with coloring step by step, so let's start it. I'm drawing the penguin, and it's the first time of drawing penguin. See the video till end to learn all about penguin drawing. It's making so wonderful. It's the body of this beautiful penguin. It's the face of this beautiful penguin. It's time for drawing the foot of this cute penguin. It's turn for making some design. It's the coloring turn. Let's color the penguin. I'm coloring it black color. It's making so wonderful. Brown color, dark pink color, red color, yellow color. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.